Afan divination, also known as Ifa or Fa, is an ancient divination system that originated among the Yoruba people of West Africa, specifically in present-day Nigeria, Togo, and Benin. The system has a rich history that spans over 2,000 years. The origin of Afa divination dates back to the 12th century when the Yoruba people believed that the gods had given them the gift of divination to communicate with the divine. The system was initially used by the Yoruba kings and priests to make important decisions, resolve conflict, and understand the will of the gods. Over time, Afar divination evolved and spread throughout the Yoruba kingdom. The system became more complex with the development of sophisticated systems of symbols, rituals, and interpretations. The divination systems was passed down from generation to generation, with each generation adding its own knowledge and insights. A special Afa school put up by Toboko Togbi Akoli Toglo in Togo, Aneho, to train people from all walks of life with willingness and readiness to receive and practice Afa. The school is very large in size and it is uniquely designed to impart requisite knowledge on priests and anyone who wants to undergo Afa training to become perfect. The Afa school is not limited to priests but anyone and everyone, irrespective of their backgrounds and ages. The school consists of many people from tertiary schools down to illiterate, and all is based on one's ability and eagerness to acquire knowledge through the Afan school. Toboko Togbi Akoli Toglo wrote many Afa books to assist the students of Afa school and also anyone who wants to get a copy for himself or herself. Afa divination consists of several key components such as Ikin, a set of 16 palm nuts or shells used for divination. Upon Ifa, a wooden or clay board used for casting the Ikin. Babalawo, a trained priest or diviner who interprets the results. Odu, a set of 256 possible combinations of the Ikin, each with its own meanings and interpretation. The divine process involves preparation. The Babalawo prepares the Opon Ifa and Ikin, and the client asks a question or seeks guidance. Casting, the Babalawo casts the Ikin onto the Opon Ifa, generating a specific Odu. Interpretation. The Babalawo interprets the Odu using their knowledge and intuition to provide guidance and insight. Afan divination spread throughout West Africa, influencing other cultures and divination systems. The system was also brought to the Americans through the transatlantic slave trade, where it blended with other African and indigenous traditions. Today, Afa divination is still practiced by the Yoruba people and other cultures around the world. The system has evolved, incorporating new knowledge and perspectives while maintaining its traditional roots. Afa divination is an ancient and complex system that has played a significant role in Yoruba culture and spirituality for centuries. Its rich history, symbolism, and interpretation have made it a powerful tool for guidance and self-discovery.
Fanya mede bede kono aso jesi esekedo aso jesi wo to kele joka gbogbo ya amoka ya zo ma e ti o poko na fa le bi ose be sunya be sukulare nene la no ba sukule ya ma le ne nyanya o tele le no tabe enyi pe awi ya ni wenyi la ba sukule
nya ape jiji no anyiwe afa la isku tutugban e jilade ke pela do viaroda la pla ni ke ti a c'est sens et neme okolanywa entolanya et begonchan et la nyale ki hiya son aduna afin abosan me de pentom la femme afin maume gagner son pour la femme les que mau bo hiya do les que nous wala ko le hiya me afin de nanu kento ya gbeto la nya et amere ma bleu que bon nya fa amere ko nya ba me la no to nya buna o ke o nya volé voilà
Mani sukulu le Afa Suku ya magombe le kapopoa mea ya chachi hamo fofo mani le chachi de ba wa mo ba webe me va ya dodoji ye me va se Afa benko ye me va kwa fa nyawa enu nyo tro ba tro ma ba nye me be me ba va se be nyator nya be mere bubuto egbado suku de le Aneho wa na nye be nchama de je school ayo me magba va sronu magba nya nkeyin Afa ba nyawa nye to Nigeria mele ba Afa ya nchi ye me gbo va chi Togoro ne mate sronu mado agbale do o ma school a mado agbale le school a be yi